Hey, Brother Thing, welcome to another episode of testing my applications. So, for the Glacier calculator with UWP, so we can put in the width and the height, then you can change the color to whatever. Let's do blue this time. Then, say we only want 3. Calculate, and then it'll tell us the wood length and the glass area. And then, as you can see here, the quantity updates every time that I move the slider in real time. And then for the validating the inputs, I did on key press. So every time I put in a number, it will validate it and see if it's a letter. So see if it's a letter, it'll just delete it. It won't even let you like keep it in. And then I also did it so that if you try to put like 5 numbers in, it won't let you. It only let you put 2 numbers in. So see. So yeah, that is what I did this week.